Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abigail Ifoma. If you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, welcome. So today I'll be sharing with you how you can achieve your good looking quality bar soap with just two ingredients. And when I say two ingredients, I mean it, two ingredients. After watching this video, I hope you go try it making yours and see for yourself what I mean. This is a beginner friendly and I hope you all enjoy this video. This particular bar soap has no color in it, it has no fragrance, and yet is looking good and foamy. I hope you guys enjoy this video like I enjoy filming it. So for you to achieve foamy and good looking bar soap, watch this video from the beginning to the end, and if you do so, do not forget to like, comment and share with your loved ones. Yes, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Join the family. So let's get right into the video. To start with, we are going to be needing our PKO, which is our Parmkanel oil, and then caustic soda. The caustic soda, I dissolved it with water and it's already cool and on room temperature. So what I'm going to do next is to pour it inside my oil and then keep mixing it until they both blend in together. All the measurements for this production will be at the description box and even on your screen, so please pay attention or go to the description box and check them out. This production is a very simple one. There is no fragrance, no color, and trust me, it came out really nice. I hope you give this a try. As a beginner in soap making, this is the easiest way you can make your soap. At this point, I'll just keep mixing them together until the oil and the caustic soda are all blend together. So I'm just going to put it inside my mold, and yeah, the mold I'm going to be using is, I'll leave it there to sit for like 6 hours or more. By the time I was making this video, it was already late at night, so I left it over till daybreak. So the next morning I went there and it was so hard. Yes, and that's what it is. Because why? I use the rightful measurements of water, I use the rightful measurements of caustic soda, and I also use the rightful measurements of oil. So guys, the next video I will be sharing with you all, I'll be sharing how you can measure your caustic soda, your oil and your water. And trust me, you don't want to miss the next episode. If you want to be a partaker of that, please subscribe, turn on your bell notification, so when I post that video, you'll be the first person to know. And the major materials you need as a beginner in soap making, I'll also be sharing it at the description box, so please check it out. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, share this video to your loved ones and like it. Drop a comment on what you think about this soap. Trust me guys, this soap is so perfect and came out really nice. So guys, please, you can see on your screen, I'm just making you guys know that the way I'm doing this is not the way I'm supposed to do it. Like the glove, in terms of safety, I'm supposed to be putting on my hand glove, but I'm not. I don't want to say you guys don't put, maybe because I'm used to it, but even as at that, I was still reacting to it. So please, that's why I'm emphasizing it on the screen. Always use your hand glove when you're working with caustic soda. When you're working with soap production, always use your hand glove. These chemicals, they are raw ones. Yes, so it's more safety. It's more safe when you use your glove. Please always use your hand glove, please. So at this point you can see it's all dry, guys. There's no color in it and it came out so whitish, yes, and strong. Like I said, because I used the correct oil, water and caustic soda for it, it came out really nice. If you want your production to always be like this, then the next video is for you. Do well by liking, comments and share the next comment down below that you are ready for the next video, and then I'll be showing you how you can use your oil, the measurements you need, yes, and the calculation you need to make your soap, good looking soap. Yes, so guys, I'll see you all in my next video. So guys, when you make something like this, just go ahead and store it and start making use of it in 4 to 5 weeks. By then the caustic soda, the soap will be pure, and it even brings out more foam. The longer it stays, the more foam it brings out. Just imagine when it stays up to like a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Yes, so that is what it is. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.